Understanding, appeal to experience, in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, appeal to experience. This phrase can be a little tricky, but it's very powerful once you understand how to use it effectively. So, if you're ready to expand your English vocabulary and sound like a native speaker, let's get started. Appeal to experience refers to a situation where someone uses personal experiences or the collective experiences of others as a basis for their argument or to convince others of something. It's about saying, "Look at what has happened in the past. Let's learn from that." This phrase is often used in discussions, debates, and persuasive writing or speaking. Let's look at some examples to understand how appeal to experience works in real conversations or writings. A parent might say to a child, "I appeal to your experience of touching the hot stove last time. Let's be more careful now." Here, the parent is using the child's past experience to teach a lesson. In a business meeting, a manager might argue, "Based on our experience with last year's marketing campaign, I strongly believe we should allocate more budget to social media advertising." The manager is appealing to the team's collective experience to make a strategic decision. Using appeal to experience can be very effective because it builds credibility. When you reference real-life experiences, your argument becomes more believable. It connects emotionally with your audience. People relate to stories and experiences, making your message more impactful. It encourages learning from past mistakes or successes, guiding better decisions in the future. To use this phrase effectively, keep these tips in mind. Be specific. Detail the experiences you're referring to for clearer understanding. Ensure relevance. The experiences should be directly related to the point you're making. Balance logic and emotion. While experiences can be emotional, your argument should also be logical and reasoned. And that's a wrap on appeal to experience. Remember, this phrase is a powerful tool in your English language arsenal, especially when you want to make your arguments more persuasive and relatable. We hope this video has been enlightening and will help you use appeal to experience with confidence. Don't forget to practice, and see you in our next video.